Tyra Lynn Banks, born December 4th, 1973, is an American model, television personality, producer, writer, and actress. She began her career as a model at the age of 15 and was the first African-American woman to be featured on the covers of GQ and the Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue, on which she appeared 3 times. Banks was one of only a few black models to achieve supermodel status. She was a Victoria's Secret angel from 1997 to 2005. By the early 2000s, Banks was one of the world's top-earning models. Banks began acting on television in the sitcom The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air 1993 and made her film debut in the drama Higher Learning 1995. In 2000, she had major film roles such as even Disney Channel's Life Size and Zoe in the box office hit Coyote Ugly. In 2003, Banks created the reality series America's Next Top Model, which she executive produced and presented for the first 22 seasons. Until the series' cancellation in October 2015, she remained executive producer for the revival of the series in 2016 and enlisted Rita Ora as host for the 23rd cycle before reassuming the duties herself for the 24th cycle. Banks was the co-creator of True Beauty 2009-2010 and had her own talk show, The Tyra Banks Show 2005 to 2010, which aired on the CW and won two Daytime Emmy Awards for Outstanding Talk Show Informative. In 2015, she co-hosted the talk show Fab Life for 2 months. In 2017 and 2018, Banks was the host of America's Got Talent for its 12th and 13th seasons. In 2020, she was the host of Dancing with the Stars for its 29th season, also serving as an executive producer. In 2010, Banks published a young adult novel titled Modeland, based on her life as a model, which topped the New York Times bestseller list in 2011. She also has her own production company, Bankable Productions, which produced the Tyra Banks Show, America's Next Top Model, and the 2008 film The Clique. Banks is one of 4 African Americans and 7 women to have repeatedly been ranked among the world's most influential people by Time magazine. Tyra Lynn Banks was born in Inglewood, California on December 4th, 1973. Her mother, Carolyn London, is a medical photographer, and her father, Donald Banks, is a computer consultant. She has a brother, Devin, who is 5 years older. In 1979, when Banks was 6 years old, her parents divorced. She attended John Burroughs Middle School and graduated in 1991 from Immaculate Heart High School in Los Angeles. Banks said that while growing up, she was teased for her appearance and considered an ugly duckling. When she was 11 years old, she grew 3 inches and lost 30 pounds in 3 months. On America's Next Top Model, Banks discussed the results of an Ancestry.com genealogical DNA test, saying that she is 79% African, 14% British, and 6% Native American. Personal life, Banks dated Norwegian photographer Erik Asla during the 2010s. She struggled with infertility. Her and Asla's attempts to conceive through in vitro fertilization were unsuccessful. In January 2016, their son York Banks Asla was born via gestational surrogacy. Banks said that she tends to avoid drinking and has never used recreational drugs. She has spoken out about abusive relationships in her past. In 2005, when asked about her relationship history, she said, "I won't be using a lot of names on the show, but a specific relationship had not just cheating, but emotional abuse. It was really bad, but that made me strong." In 2009, she opened up about her past relationships when she made a guest appearance on The Oprah Winfrey Show, hosting alongside Oprah Winfrey. The episode was dedicated to dating violence in response to the assault of Rihanna by Chris Brown. In January 2025, Banks' home in Los Angeles was destroyed in the Palisades fire. She and her boyfriend, Louis Bellinger Martin, were in Australia at the time. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.